What if managing your server didn't feel like carrying unnecessary weight? For decades, cPanel has been the gold standard in web hosting management. Reliable, yes, but heavy, expensive, and not designed with the modern cloud era in mind. Enter CloudPanel, a lightweight, fast, and free alternative that's reshaping how developers, educators, and businesses manage their servers. At a glance, the biggest difference lies in purpose. cPanel was built when shared hosting ruled the internet. It's loaded with features, but many of them go unused, eating up resources and slowing down performance. CloudPanel, by contrast, was born in the cloud generation. Its design is minimalistic, prioritizing speed and efficiency without sacrificing the essentials. Let's talk about cost. Over the years, cPanel has increased its licensing fees, making it a pricey option for startups, small businesses, and educators managing multiple projects. CloudPanel breaks that barrier by offering a free solution, giving everyone access to enterprise-level server management without draining budgets. The money saved can instead fuel innovation, growth, and learning opportunities. Performance is another game changer. Because CloudPanel is lightweight, it consumes fewer server resources. That means websites load faster, applications run smoother, and users experience less downtime. In today's fast-paced digital world, that can be the difference between gaining or losing trust online. Then comes usability. cPanel's interface, while functional, can feel overwhelming for beginners and cluttered for experienced users. CloudPanel takes the opposite route: clean, intuitive, and mobile-friendly. Whether you're managing a VPS from your laptop or checking a deployment from your phone, it adapts to your workflow seamlessly. Security also matters. Both platforms offer protection, but CloudPanel integrates essentials like SSL certificates, firewall settings, and user isolation out of the box, no extra plugins required. This makes it especially appealing to educators and small teams who want robust security without the headache of complicated configurations. So, should you stick with cPanel or switch to CloudPanel? If you value tradition, broad compatibility, and don't mind paying for licensing, cPanel still works. But if you want a modern, resource-efficient, and free alternative designed for cloud servers and VPS, CloudPanel is the clear winner. Imagine saving money, improving performance, and simplifying your workflow, all while keeping your projects secure. That's the power of choosing the right tool for today's digital landscape. Now the question is, would you stay with cPanel's tradition or embrace CloudPanel's future?